a giggle and a spark. One slipped into the splash with a happy hooray. Then four little monkeys shouted, "Let's play!" Four little monkeys by the way poolside, jumping in the water with a splashy ride. One got tied and sat in the sun all day. Then three little monkeys said, "Come splash and play! Come splash and play!" Three little monkeys on the twisty blue slide, whooshing down together for a slippery ride. One went to the snack stand for juice on the way. Then two little monkeys laughed, "Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!" Two little monkeys in the lazy river round, floating on a tube going slowly around. One paddled to the edge to dry and stay. Then one little monkey splashed away. One little monkey in the splash zone bright, dancing in the fountains with pure delight. Soon Mama Monkey called time to go today, so the little monkey waved and splashed away.